Yes, of course they're here. ICC update, basically, the Political Chamber 1 rejected the request of, or the motion submitted by the defense with respect to the challenge to the jurisdiction of ICC over the Philippines. One, there is a motion that adjudication should be deferred after the determination of the competency to stand trial of the former president. That was rejected. On the second hand, the jurisdictional challenge submitted by the defense was also rejected. I think the appeal to challenge the decision of the Political Chamber 1 has been already done by the defense team.
Shout out us Reaction Vlog, YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Mabuhay kayo.
Mga kababayan, alam nyo, I cannot help but talk about my fascination of the city of Davao. The city of Davao really is different from all other cities that I've ever been to. I mean, like, not really in comparison to the European cities na napupuntahan ko, but dito mismo sa Philippines, iba talaga ang Davao, mga kababayan. Totoo lang. Also, meron dito, wala mo nagkita kami with, yes, wala. Kahapon po nagkita kami ni Congressman Omar Duterte, and we were there in relation doon sa turnover pala ng ambulance doon sa Barangay Talumo. Sobrang laki din ang barangay na yun, guys. Honestly, Davao in itself really is so different in a very, very positive way sa nakita ko, guys. The people here are so respectful. Wala ka nakikita mga basura kung saan-saan man, mga kababayan. And I saw really what the flood control projects is all about here. The coastal road, yung mga dikes na ginawa along the riverbanks. Sobrang ganda, guys, ng lugar ng Davao. Actually, kung sa lahat ng mga nagtatanong about sinong bumibisita ngayon kay PRRD sa ICC Detention Facility, it's the schedule to visit ni Vice Mayor Rigo. Doon po siya. And then I was able to look at the very quick video or encounter of Vice Mayor Rigo there sa The Hague, and the statement was that PRRD is okay, and because that's to the extent of what they can divulge to the public, kasi hindi naman, di ba, pwede. So again, sa mga kababayan natin, tomorrow po na naatay meet and greet ko na wow. Because of the demand of people talaga who wants to support, to show support and love. Look at that, guys. Oh, in the early morning, yan, may tagalimpyo diri, guys. Look at the streets here are so clean. Okay na ba ang jawline, iyay? Warag very today pala we are also again going to visit Luxmed Aesthetics, because para mapakita pa natin talaga yung very, alam niyo naman, galaroy-laroy ko. I have I have a meeting kasi with a very good friend today for an early breakfast meeting or something of some sort, just to catch up. And sorry. Hello, good morning. Hello, maraming salamat sa 1,000 stars. Jen Quams, maraming salamat gang palagi alakan yung tanong. Thank you so much for your unwavering love and support. Okay. Pa-shoutout from Turel. Hello sa mga taga Turel, sa lahat ng mga sa atong tanang mga kababayan kay igsuon na diri sa dakbayan sa Davao or sa lungsod ng Davao. Daghang kayong salamat sa inyong suporta o pagmamahal. May meet and greet sa mga. I'm not sure if I'll be able to go to Manila, Del Mar Garcia. I might. I'm not very sure about that, but I'll be going back to I will be heading to Butuan, and then I might I hope I'll be able to visit Cebu as well. Yes, dito guys, makita mo talaga na ang local government officials of the city of Davao, or Davao in itself, really takes good care of their constituents talaga. Oo. Wala talaga akong topic today, but I just wanted to go live while on my way to the destination. Actually, nag-change venue daw kasi. Okay. Ang bilis talaga tumaas ng buhok ko, guys. Okay. Wala tayong nakita dyan naghahap. Yes, oh my God, I would like to congratulate the barangay officials spearheaded by Barangay Captain January. I actually visited Barangay Catalunan Grande yesterday. Oh my God, I was so shocked. Municipality level na talaga yung lugar. Napakalaki. Can you imagine, in that particular barangay, you'll be able to find 59 subdivisions. Observant kasi ako, guys. Nakita ko talaga, even the barangay, gymnasium ba ang tawag yan, or of some sort, international ang level. Sobrang ganda, honestly. Ano daw? Pag pahag ko slide, okay lang. Okay na gang. Natan mared ka. Gabi naman. Hindi gabi naman mared ka gang. Huwag naman yung ganon. Hug lang. Okay, no problem. No problem talaga gang. Alam niyo naman mga kababayan na I owe everything to all of you. I mean, like, you have given me the mandate to do whatever it is that I'm doing, that you've supported me, this and that. Ano naman yung magawa ko in return sa kindness and love na binigay nyo sa akin, is sa amin pala, is to really, show up, be there with you. Even though nahihiya talaga ako sa idea, guys, na ganyan, hindi talaga ako, I don't know, I'm not very, feeling ko pag mahagta ka, thank you po sa inyong lahat. Actually, nung pumunta kami sa mall, nahiya talaga ako, guys. First time ko pumunta sa isang mall, I think, or hindi ko alam kung anong mall yun. I think it was Aprisa Mall or something. And then may taong nakilala sa akin, guys. Hinag talaga ako. Sabi ko, at first it felt awkward kasi, I don't just, na-weirduhan ako about why would people ask to hug me, ganyan. But eventually, I got the hang of it. Thank you, Mary Jo Enriquedor. Alam niyo naman, alagang CeraVe. Hindi totoo na hindi, ang CeraVe dito. Gumagana pa rin siya. Oo. Jen Ortiz, maraming salamat sa yung stars, ma'am. Kung wala lang akong punta ko sana sa Davao. It's okay, Ma'am Garcia, Delmar Garcia. In the future, there will be more, times in the future, opportunities for us to meet. Pao is busy. I think Pao is busy and preoccupied with other things. Kaya hindi siya nakasama. But as to the nitty-gritty or the details, hindi ko alam. Sa inyo yan, Sir Dingan. Liz, thank you, Liz. Sa lahat ng mga tao. Dabawenyos are really so kind. I swear to you guys, look at the streets. Tignan nyo, guys. Look at that. Grabe. Diba? It's so different yung Davao. I'm having breakfast with a very good friend. Era Rivas, maraming salamat sa pa-stars niyo, ma'am. Grabe, walang course din dyan. Grabe. Meron namang course gang. Meron pa rin course. I'm really, how to say that? I really wake up very early. My body clock is kicking in dito, guys. Hindi ako naka-feel ng jet lag, I think. I think I only had one day or one night or something like that. Legit na ka makita dito sa Davao. Nga naman, Katrina. Na-bring siya ng woman in there. Rosie, Victoria, ma'am, I support them. Yes, we will be visiting House of Hope as well. We will be visiting House of Hope soon. For sure. So, yun. Thank you po. Magsugat na sa dalan. Katrina. Grabe po na magsugat. O din na siyang Aprisa Mall. I'm just passing by Aprisa Mall, guys, at the moment. But well, it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. But yun nga, I just, I was also able to experience a very, very, how to say that, interesting, interesting day doon. Napunta kami sa Islareta. Maganda yung island na yun. Hofguray. Pumunta sana ako doon sa, sa Hofguray. Pero kasi madali lang kasi yung namin parang balikan ng ganyan, pag yan. Nagkape-kape, nagpainit or something, ganyan, to that effect. So, Izay, Israel, hindi ko alam kang, I'm not very sure if I'm going to Manila. Busy kasi si Pao. Busy siya actually. Izay, Alidap, they're fine, they're here as well. I'm not sure actually kung karon. Davao is really amazing so far. Honestly, maganda talaga ang Davao, to be honest. I know, yung statement or tagline na Davao, life is here. Totoo. Because you'll get to experience a European approach to things talaga. And on top of that, the safety and security of the city is amazing, to be honest. Davao Freedom Wall, shout out to you. Yes, of course they're here. ICC update, basically, the Political Chamber 1 rejected the request of, or the motion submitted by the defense with respect to the challenge to the jurisdiction of ICC over the Philippines. 1, there is a motion that adjudication should be deferred after the determination of the competency to stand trial of the former president. That was rejected. On the second hand, the jurisdictional challenge submitted by the defense was also rejected. I think the appeal to challenge the decision of the Political Chamber 1 has been already done by the defense team. Opo. Vina, daw di hilig mag-send stars QR code lang daw i-PM. Sige ma'am. Mag-PM ko QR code, ma'am. Salamat sa inyong tanan. Charot! Kaulang. Ma'am, ikuha na ako later, ma'am Mary Jo, pero Lino Regidor, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, i-message ko, ma'am, para makita na kayo mong message. Actually, may ginawa ko ni Paulo as well because of the Chika Artista Bonga. Sir, what need para baka, there's nothing, you just show up there. I already posted the details. You can look into it sa wall ng page, but you don't need to do anything. Basically, you just go there, I don't know, let's have fun, let's talk a little bit, chat, ganito, ganyan, take photos or whatnot, and then, yeah, see each other, enjoy each other's company. Mawawalan kasi sila ng power i-pursue Israel, kaya rejected sa atin lang yun. Honestly, most of the time, the first instance court will mostly favor the defense in that matter. Sabi ni Madam Sastro Ganto Sasot, ang lodi nating lahat, si Madam Ka-Freshness, that most, if not often, the submission or the request submitted through the Political Chamber 1 or the first instance court will mostly favor that of the prosecution or the Office of the Public Counsel for Victims. The appeals chamber is where the litigation or the argument, hearing both sides according to the submitted documents, will most likely have the chance there. Look what happened when a motion submitted to the appeals chamber disqualified the chief prosecutor, Karim Khan. It was granted, diba? Wow. Maganda talaga, alam mo Ma'am Delmar Garcia, I'm not encouraging everyone to come and live here in Davao ha, kasi because mostly that's what's going to happen. Kasi talaga maganda talaga ang Davao, guys. But because most people do not want more people to relocate here kasi nga because of the traffic or congestions that it's going to create. Pero honestly, Davao it's really unbelievable. Walang entrance fee. Walang entrance fee po yung namin, meet and greet. Baka magsabi na naman, gawa-gawa na naman kayo ng istorya dyan. Na may entrance fee or what. Wala pong entrance fee. Just be there. Okay, if you want to order food, there's an area, go order food. No problem. If you want to, I don't know, take photos, yeah, take photos. I'm using Dr. Organic lip balm with vitamin E. It's very beautiful. It's very good. Hi Sir Al, sana ma-meet namin in person. Yes, sana talaga ma'am. Parang linis ng yes. Kaya nga, comparable siya talaga sa European cities. So, minsan nga, mas marumi pa yung European cities. Dito malinis talaga guys. Organized pa, at saka very organized ang mga tao dito. Yes, Chan. Hala, iyay, Kuya Juan. Pwede ko na ma-irgas kay Boss Dada. Hangyo lang dala sugo. Ayaw ko love da ha. Love da na. Love you to AI. Oo, i-regards taka kay Boss Dada gang. No problem. Pag ganyan na. Ikaw purong ko. Ayaw na i-promote ang Davao City. Honestly, Davaoenos are so lucky. And you know, Davaoenos are right with their decision of choosing a Duterte to lead the city, or in that regard, the different districts. Alam nyo guys, talaga ang Duterte, they deliver. Sometimes they even exceed the expectation of what a public official should be doing. Talaga. Sobrang, you know, this all boils down to discipline. This all boils down to being aware of who you are choosing to public office talaga. Oo, yan. Sir Alvin, tama na, matraffic na sa motor. Yan yung nakita ko sa Davao. At saka, respectful ang mga tao dito. They are law-abiding citizens. They know what it is that needs to be done. And they understand that guidelines and regulations are in place in order for things to be okay as well. Alam mo yung ganon. So, yun yung nakita ko talaga, to be honest. Ang pingkano ni Alvin Torres, thank you sa inyo lahat. Gusto ko na mamuhay sa Davao, honestly. Gusto ko din, kaso hindi ko pa afford bumili ng property dito, guys. Hindi ko talaga afford kasi alam niyo naman yung property. The inflation is there. At the same time, if the demand is high, the supply will be costly. Yan naman ang totoo, talaga. Okay, close early morning sa 8 p.m. I will try. I will do my best kung kaya ko ba mag-jogging. Kasi nga, my gout was yung gout sa paa ko, tukar siya dirigang. Luckily, I was able to buy some medicine. Ay, Ma'am Elizabeth Bardenas, goedemorgen, hoe gaat het? Heb je lekker slapen of genoeg slapen? Heb jullie een lekker weer? Adopted na to ng Davao. Welcome to YouTube. Oh, Levi. You know what? Baga po ko galing na ay sir or ma'am about Ana. I'm just happy that Davaoenos are ibutang ni mo tayo na tao. Tayo po sa yours. Oo. Wala oy. Shout out to you and Beverly. Maraming salamat sa iyo po sir. Tanaw jogging umas ko sir. Guwapo. Close. I'm not sure if I can do that. I will do my best. Kung kaya ba ng katawan ko. Ay, I'm actually here na pala.